Imagine navigating the open seas with confidence and precision. Welcome to True North Marine Electronics, where innovation meets reliability. For years, we've been at the forefront of marine technology. Our journey began with a simple mission: to enhance your marine experience. Today, we offer a wide range of cutting-edge products, from advanced navigation systems to robust communication tools. Our products are designed to meet the highest standards of performance. But it's not just about the products, it's about the service we provide. We understand the challenges you face on the water. That's why our team is dedicated to providing solutions that work. With True North Marine Electronics, you're never alone on your journey. Our commitment to innovation ensures you have the best tools at your disposal. Join the countless marine professionals who trust our expertise. Experience the True North difference today. True North Marine Electronics, navigating your future.